Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this regarding the very crucial, very important ongoing civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself in front of all nations, and it is because United States of American nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I, enforced finance disabled to I, and then created finance debt to I, and that is a terrorist crime for any nation to enforce poverty to the civilian. And now this civil justice is all about a very shortest quick overview. I know you are all are laughing, but don't worry, it will not take much of time. Okay. Remember, I told that during the summer of 2020, that is last year, right? It's very close, right? Since 2020, summer of June, July, August, September, October, November, I think even in December, maybe, I was interacting with the Secretary of the State of Wisconsin and Department of Health Services of State of Wisconsin and IRS tax leader of State of Wisconsin, and I was educating whatever I educated to the Department of Justice team, right? In the year of 2019, I educate the same thing to the these team, and also was displaying the how the US government operations were all errored, and I explained to them that it is Pope Francis only the root cause for it. So please, can you provide me any salary? Can you all talk to the USA government and provide me any salary immediate? I asked them because it's a rightful way, right? So I was explaining everything, and that time we are all in the same page, meaning the Secretary of the State of Wisconsin knows who I am. Okay, Department of Health Services leader of State of Wisconsin knows who I am, and IRS leader of State of Wisconsin knows who I am. Only thing is, I did not get any response from them, no help from them. I was just working on where to get help, where to seek for help, but nobody helped, and this was one of them. So, for their team being fatal negligent, there needs to be disciplined process, right? Because people cannot be proud as being fatal negligent. So that means once when discipline is provided, moving forward, the state of the Secretary State of the Wisconsin and the Department Health Service leader of the Wisconsin, state of Wisconsin, and IRS leader of the state of Wisconsin will never be fatal negligent even in their sleeping, even in their dream, right? Because when people don't know what is to be humane, then there needs to be a discipline and education that needs to be provided in the rightful way. So I will sign off the civil justice sign off, and USA will take care of the accountability part, and Roman Province Jesuits organization will pay me the right of check and direct deposit to my bank account. That's all. And I want the Secretary of the State to live free to watch me get the salary in the rightful way. Right? Yeah, sometimes it is, it's always wisest are the sufferers in the hands of the foolish. And I'm proving it, right? So, victims of abuse, so it is a Department of Health Services leader, and Department of IRS, and Department of Secretary of State of Wisconsin. So, those three people, they were fatal negligent. So, they are leprosy patient, they are innocent at fault. So, that innocent, I want them to live free. For being at fault mode, because of Pope Francis only educated them to be at fault mode. So Pope Francis is the hell creator. That's what I'm educating you all with the wisdom. That is all. How innocent people are always made to look at fault mode versus Pope Francis only made to look holy mode means Secretary of the State of Wisconsin is looking at fault mode versus Pope is looking God mode when he is the one who educated Secretary of the State of Wisconsin not to help me. So civil discipline should be provided in a healthy way. So victims of abuse of patients, medical compensations, claims billing processes of February 17th, 2021 is Prostitution Babylon USA. So when USA is a prostitution Babylon, Department of Health Services is what? It is prostitution. That's why they were not able to provide me the help. Okay, when USA is a prostitution Babylon nation, what is Secretary of State of Wisconsin division? It is also prostitution. And what is tax operations? It is also prostitution. That's why they were not able to help me in the rightful way. Okay, when all along I was explaining to them and providing with them all the proof of the USA government errors, and I was only asking, hey, see, I'm displaying all the USA government errors, right? So can you even sit and talk with the president? That time both the candidates were fighting with each other. Right, President Trump and President Joe Biden fighting with each other. So I tell, see, please talk to them and provide me finance aid. That way I could take care of my basic essentials. I'm in extreme finance. They never reply. Today they are going to pay the price. How? You watch and see. So, fatal negligence. USA created robocall poverty, mandate to Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. And prostitution, USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence at fault found guilty, USA nation enforced crime 1 is USA nation poverty mandated to I Vedapriya Prose. Crime 2 is USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandate disability to I Vedapriya Prose. Then crime 3 is where USA nation finance debtors $10,210.38 mandated to I Vedapriya Prose. So domestic violence type is the crime of USA and crime of fatal negligent IRS of state of Wisconsin, and crime of Department of Health Services of state of Wisconsin, and crime of state of Secretary of State of Wisconsin for being fatal negligence comes under the classification of domestic violence types, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, and assaults and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and chattels and types, and at fault and found guilty Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Prose. For I Vedapriya Prose should have been elected as a Supreme Court Judge of USA on October 2018. And just to steal the rightful job belonged to I Vedapriya Prose alone, Republican GOP leader President Trump and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. And I Vedapriya Prose want civil justice now, and that is as of February 2021 today. I Vedapriya Prose want civil justice according to Holy Bible guidelines only. For DHS being fatal negligence, for tax leader fatal negligence, for Secretary of State of Wisconsin to be fatal negligent. I want Roman Province Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis must resign now. And for fatal negligence of Secretary of the State of Wisconsin is 1 count. And then IRS leader of state of Wisconsin, fatal negligence is 1 count. Then DHS leader of the state of Wisconsin being fatal negligence, 1 more count. So total count of 3 types of fatal negligence there, right? So state of Wisconsin Jesuits Roman Province of USA must pay tax-free $1 billion per fatal negligent teams of 3 counts. To be tax-free $3 billion, direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is the civil justice served. Okay, my dear fellow mankind, and yes, there is a long list of true crime that I have to display to the USA government to get a job offer signed off, to get the finance aid, to get the national benefits, everything to be in the front of all nations and entire human kingdom. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.